So we got a few more for you. Thank you very much. Daniel's gonna accompany me on this to whatever degree.
Yeah.
We had a show the other night in Philly, and I met a couple who had gotten married like 7 years prior.
Oh.
They were getting ready to celebrate their 6th anniversary or 7th anniversary, excuse me. And they had chosen this song as their first dance as husband and wife, and I thought that was, I don't know.
Wow.
For some reason at that moment it was like, and they asked if I could play it. I said, man, I haven't played that song in a long time. But I'll give it a shot. I'll do the best I can. It might be a verse and a chorus, but I'll try. And so we did that. We got about a verse and a chorus in. What's the first chord? F. It's a half step down, but you know, yeah, you got it. F. Seriously? And so, of course, you know, we play it, and then I get bombarded on social media from some of you.
No, not me.
Oh my God, I can't believe you played that song. You have to play it. So I have 3 impressions now.
Thank you, Dave.
So we're gonna try it tonight. We're gonna try it. Try being the operative word.
You got it.
Oh man.
You got that. You got it.
I feel like I'm running down a train track and I see the train coming and I just, for some reason, refuse to step off the track.
You'll be fine.
Already, just go.
Go. The song's called Avalanche. I feel alive beside you, and all at once I am alone again. We fall into each other, your atmosphere is all I breathe in. And in this rush we are crushed, carry me down, rolling in your arms, 'cause I can't remember ever falling this hard. Tell me tonight, all that we had planned, was nothing more than noise inside our head, crashing down in your everland, in your everland. These scars we wear remind us, and the more we change, the more we roll the same. Swept up in this emotion, we fumble through and make the to the ground, carry me down, rolling in your arms, 'cause I can't remember ever falling this hard. rolling in your arms. 'Cause I can't remember ever falling this hard. Tell me tonight, only we had planned. Wasn't nothing more than noise inside our head. Carry me down, rolling in your arms. 'Cause I can't remember ever falling this hard. Tell me tonight, all that we had planned wasn't nothing more than noise inside our heads. Crashing down, crashing down. I feel alive beside you, and all at once I am alone.